Now let's move on to the issue of the day, Timmy. Halloween, and there's a lot to love about Halloween. Like there's the chocolate, and there's the chocolate.
Oh yeah, exactly.
And there's the chocolate.
My kids have already given me strict instructions. I'm the driver tonight. Yes, Sylv, that stuff is great, but I don't know about getting scared out of my mind.
Out of your mind.
So our producers, they had this great idea of scaring Sylvia and I to the point of distraction. We went to Luna Park, and this is what happened. Take a squiz. How are you, Sil?
I'm feeling pretty spooky, Timmy.
See, I'm tough with that kind of stuff. This stuff does not affect me.
History would suggest otherwise, I would have thought.
Tough.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, 100% tough.
How do you think you're going to go with the dead and breakfast?
Let's go see.
Come on, stick close.
Ooh. Hello!
Oh,
are you looking for a room?
I don't know, what's the rate?
It's 5 and 6pence for the night. It's the cheapest around, I can guarantee that. I can put you both in room 13, it's just down the hall. Be careful though, we've got a bit of a long-term guest. He can show you around, but he gets really antsy if you touch anything.
Here we go now.
This is Hector. No. Good luck.
12. Is 13 unlucky? Isn't it unlucky?
We sharing a room?
Well, I'm not... This is the bathroom.
Have a look at the toilet.
Is there any way out of here?
Is there anyone in there?
Oh, they're everywhere! Oh, I don't want to stay for the night. Oh, yeah.
I feel like John Candy. What's going on over here?
Would you stay for a cup of tea?
Got delicious brew.
Oh, man, I hate this joint.
Is that one of our mascots?
Oh, no. Prosciutto's okay. That's got nothing to do with that mascot. Oh, my God. Don't turn around.
Oh, Godfather!
Oh, can we keep moving? Oh, they're everywhere. Oh. These people keep following us.
Did you really think you'd get out of here alive?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, I'm glad that's over. You all right?
That was a disgrace. Honestly.
How's your heart?
Oh, seriously. I had the Magnum this morning. Just...
Oh my God! Enough! We've had enough.
Didn't we say?
Wow, well done, you two.
Right.
That looked terrifying.
Ooh.
You know, there's a line and they crossed it.
Dicky's scared.
Because we left the house and they continued to frighten us.
You thought you were safe.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh my goodness.
There are a lot of people.
Dickie gets scared by his own shadow. That was, honestly, my daughter loves it. She's 10. She loves that stuff.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I was walking through and thinking, what does Bridget like about this? Because
Yeah.
I was actually...
But you
know,
know,
I don't scare easy, I'm
But
tough.
teenagers like it, don't they, too? They look at the you guys go.
motion.
Sylvia, does that remind you of the first time you saw Pete naked?
Oh, stop it. Sorry?
Wow.
Speaking of crossing lines.
It's Halloween after all.
It is Halloween, and we love this time of year too.
You've been sitting on that for a while.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like this time of year. A lot of people don't, but it's growing in popularity, and we all love it here because we think it's actually a great community event.
It's
to
terrific.
go around to your household, to go around your communities, get dressed up, and you actually talk to your neighbours for the first time ever.
Yeah.
And I think it's really great. It's a really great involvement community event.
Yeah, it's fantastic because because it is a chance for, as you say, neighbours to get together, and it's the sugar high that hits a little bit later on. That's not quite as fun. But yeah, it's terrific. I think it's great, and we always complain about it being too American. It's actually not American originally, but yeah.
Where's it from originally?
Well, it's from the Celtic tradition, back
Goodness
from the.
me, who knew that?
Back from there.
Well,
Deb did.
Deb knew that.
Well done, Deb. Thank God you've done your research. Thank God, yeah. But yeah, without getting too serious, one of the great things about this kind of celebration is you get all this bad news, and news comes to you that quickly.
Yeah.
It's nice just to have a bit of fun.
It's
just nice to have the kids out there. Like, I think I'm just supporting you there, Carl, and what you said, but it's good to get out there and. They do eat a few too many chocolates. So trying to get into bed's not that easy, but anyway.
Dickie, when the kids come around to your place, do you give out little bottles of gin?
Like the plane, the minibus.
I don't give away any gin.
Because there's never any left.
Oh, Sylvia, joke.
Oh, the hits keep coming.
Boom, 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 boom.
Deb, what are the origins of the whole pumpkin thing?
Well, I can't find that one out instantly, but I'll research that
Celts
one
love
for
a
you. They
pumpkin?
probably liked a pumpkin, yeah. Thank you, Timmy. Thank you, Timmy. But I'd love to see some
scary
photos
stuff.
of people at home too, because I'm
your
sure that
kids.
you've got your house decorated and your kids dressed up. Send them in today at 9.com.au, and we'd love to put them on the telly.
Or just send us some photos of your husband. You know what I mean? Out there. You know what I'm saying, ladies?
Oh, and thanks to all those people at Luna Park too. They did do a wonderful job. We didn't thank them. They all got together and
Weren't
scared
they
the
in
living
character?
out of us.
Goodness me.
They sure did. Yeah, they stay in character for every single moment.
Never to be done again.